Okay, hello guys, welcome to MoBileMaThS with Gamtry. We are looking at Matrices 7, solving practice question that I gave you. So, looking at those questions that I gave you, I'm looking at question number 2. So, there are a few corrections on question number 2. The first equation is 3y minus 5x plus 3. The second one is 2y minus 3x minus 1. Okay, so using that equation, what we do is we rearrange in such a form that we have x plus y is equal to something here, a number that side. So that's what we are going to do on our equations. So the first one, we are going to shift our minus x 5x to our left. It becomes a positive, that it becomes 5x plus 3y is equals to 3. Doing the same for the next one, we'll get 3x plus 2y is equal to minus 1. Okay, now rewriting that in the form of a matrix equation, it becomes 5, 3, 3, 2. Then we have our xy is equal to 3 minus 1. Okay, so what we want to do in this case is to solve this matrix equation. So for us to solve this matrix equation, we have to find the inverse of the 2 by 2 matrix, this 2 by 2 matrix. Let's find its inverse. So its inverse is, we said the first thing that we do, we interchange, we take 5 as our A, we take our 5 as our A, this will be our A, our B, our C, and our D. Okay, so taking our 5 as our A, we interchange A and D. So we have 2, 5, and 3, and 3 there. Okay, so once we have that, the second thing is we multiply by minus on B and C. So we have 2 minus 3 minus 3, 5 there. Now we find 1 over AD minus BC. This becomes 1 over 5 times 2 minus 3 by 3. Okay, if we do that, we'll get 1 over 10 minus 9, and we'll get a 1. Okay, so overall our inverse becomes 1 over 1 by 2 minus 3 minus 3 and a 5 here. That's our inverse. Let's use that inverse in multiplying our matrix. Okay, so if we do that, we have 1 over 1 by 2 minus 3 minus 3, 5 by our matrix 5, 3, 3, 2, multiplying by xy is equals to 1 over 1, our inverse 2 minus 3 minus 3, 5, and our 3 minus 1. Okay, so we say the first part, an inverse multiplying its matrix, we get 1, 0, 0, 1. And if we multiply this with an xy, we'll get xy. Okay, so we'll just write this at the end of the day, and we take this down. Okay, so we have 1 over 1 by 2 minus 3 minus 3, 5, 3 minus 1. Okay, so our job here is basically to solve this part. Let's solve that one. Okay, so we said when you're multiplying, we say row by column. Okay, so let's do that. I have xy is equal to 1 over 1. So I do by row by column, 2 by 3 plus minus 3 by minus 1. Okay, then on the bottom I've got minus 3 by 3 plus 5 by minus 1. Okay, So this is what I have. And simplifying that, I will get x, y is equal to 1 over 1. We have got 6 plus 3 there. Then I've got minus 9 plus minus 5. Okay, like this. It's like when we have a minus here, a minus and a minus, we get a positive. Then those other negatives, we get negatives because it's just 1 there. So we solve it like that. Okay, let's finish off. So I'll have xy is equal to 1 over 1. Then 9 here and minus 14 there. So if we multiply with our scalar, we have 1 over 1. So it becomes 9 over 9 and 14 minus 14. So our xy is 9 minus 14. And using the corresponding, we get our x is 9 and our y is minus 14. So the value of x is equals to 9 and y is equals to minus 14. Okay, so maybe if you want to even prove this, you can even go and say from any equation of that we're given, let's use 3x plus 2y is equal to minus 1. Let's prove that it is true. So we have got 3 by 9 plus 2 by minus 14. What do we get? Okay, if we do that, we'll have 27 plus minus 28. Okay, and we get 27 minus 28, and this is equal to minus 1. So it's true. That's how we solve. Otherwise, have a good day. Thank you.